Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can track your OCI applications on this new OCI portal. Before I proceed further, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. So guys, in front of you, I have opened this OCI services portal. Here, if you scroll down, first of all, I'm making this video in the form of screenshots because I had to protect some privacy. Okay. So here you get the option to user login, and if you don't have an account, you have to create one. Okay. So once you log in, basically if you don't have an account, you fill this information and then it sends a validation code to your account, and that you use to create your account, and from where you can submit application and other things. And once you have submitted, okay, only submitted application, you can track the status, right? Then you can click on like user login. I mean, once you log in on the main page itself, they will say two tabs: completed application, partially filled applications. For completed application, there's an action column where you have view status. Once you click on that, it will open a pop-up like this, where so application ID, a barcode, applicant name, passport number, date, place of submission, and current status. Okay. So OCI application status, date, time, and other things. So that is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.